I enjoy working for PSOW because I love the fact that I can work from home where I feel comfortable, but I also love the fact that I can go into the office whenever I want and socialise with people from different teams.
I really enjoy working for PSOW. We make a real difference to the people's lives who approach us at their time of need when we deal with their complaints. And as an office and employer, PSOW is a fantastic place to work. The opportunities I've had have been fantastic in terms of my personal development over the time I've worked at the office. And as I say, the work is hugely rewarding and a good place to work.
I like working for the Ombudsman Wales because they continuously support me in my progress and development. I was really lucky to be given the opportunity to study a Masters in Professional Translation. The skills, knowledge and confidence that I gained from there benefited not only the organisation but my own career.
One of the main reasons why I enjoy working for PSOW is that I have a huge range of responsibilities related to communications, policy, but also strategic work. And I really feel I can put my mark on those different aspects and bring ideas forward. And I feel I have influence not just over how we work as an organisation, but also on the impact we have on public services in Wales and on the people of Wales, and that is very rewarding.